What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Supreme unboxing. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Blockbuster tee that released last week. And this item right here, in my opinion, might be sleeper item of the season when it comes to the tees. This thing's crazy. We're going to go ahead and showcase it, guys. And we also have some stickers. And for all you guys that are already subscribed to the channel, man, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe for more. Here are the stickers. And while I showcase the stickers, I might as well have a little story time for you guys. So I was supposed to have two unboxings for you guys before this one. I was supposed to get the Mama Year 4s, but I didn't get those. I will be getting those eventually, but I did not get them on release because if you guys are subscribed to my main channel, Jex Gaming, I just got a 4090. Whole bunch of cool things happening over there. You don't want to miss out on it. And here's obviously the main Supreme sticker. I was supposed to get that, so I skipped out on it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to spend too much. And then the Travis Scotts. Oh my gosh. Well, on my next show unboxing, I'll go into more detail about this. Long story short, the Travis Scotts, I won the raffle. And then I was asleep. I was so tired. I was so tired that day. I won the raffle. I woke up. It was sold out, and I won the raffle. So I could have had this the Travis Scotts for you guys, but unfortunately I didn't. I'm gonna get those for resale. That should have been my W. But anyways, enough talking. Here it is. This right here is sleeper item of the season, in my opinion. This thing is crazy. This thing is crazy. I know the purple one sold out and then went back in stock as well. But this thing is crazy. Like, looking at this now, I might need to get another one. I'm not even joking. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the detail for this, because this is looking kind of crazy. All right, guys, so here we have it. Look at all the packaging, and my goodness, this is crazy. So here it is, the Blockbuster tee. Let me know what you guys think. This is an extra large as well. Look at that. This thing is crazy. Obviously it has the glitter, but this thing will shine like crazy. What does it look like when you put like a flashlight on it? Just want to see real quick. And this is what it looks like when you put like a nice little light on it too. It blings. It blings. This thing definitely blings in person, man. Yeah, this thing is it. This is fire. Here's the back as well. Does the back have the same? Yeah, the back still has the glittery look to it. Now, I'm not too sure how this will be when, you wear it and wash it and stuff like that. That's the only downfall. Hopefully, when you wash it and everything and you wear it a whole bunch, hopefully by then, this thing still holds up and it still looks just as nice, if not better. But here it is. Got the Supreme logo at the bottom. We got the 2024, and it is nice. So, yeah, and like little studs. I think it's all printed, but what it is it's like a lot of glitter on top of it, so it feels like embroidered, but it's not embroidered. And it looks embroidered, but it's not embroidered. So I think that this is fire. It's clean. That's why I wanted to get it in the black, because it's definitely nice and clean. It's a very clean look, as you guys can see there. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. That's crazy. This thing is absolutely fire. All right, let's go ahead and check it out on body as well. Here's the S logo at the top too. Got the same glitter all over it too. So that's fire. I think this is fire. I really like this tee. This is probably the best tee for sure that dropped from last week for sure. Definitely let me know what you guys think. But here's a look at it. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section as well down below. Here's the back as well. The logo definitely does shine as well with all the artwork as well on it. And this is the exact look I was looking for. It's very subtle. See, with the purple one and like the white and green one, I think those are a little bit too loud, but those might still work. Now looking at it in hand, those probably will work, but I wanted a subtle approach with it, so I got the black. That way the logo can stand out and just do its own thing. I didn't want to get a bright color on top of this logo that's going to be sparkling and everything. So, but it looks nice, especially if you go out in the sun with this. You will definitely notice the shine that you guys can see here. You can definitely notice that. Looks really cool. I don't even think the camera does it justice. You got to see this in real life and in hand, because it definitely shines like crazy, and you can definitely notice the shine for sure. So this is really cool. This is a W for sure. Definitely sleeper item of the season. Definitely let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. Definitely let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. I think it's fire as well. I highly suggest you guys get it if you guys can. It's still available right now, and I might pick up another one. I'm not even joking right now. Like, this thing is actually fire in hand. I might pick up a different color of this as well, you know, hey, you definitely should pick it up. I think that this is gonna be one of those items that you see down the line. They'd be like, man, what season did that come in? Oh shoot, this is fire. I promise you, you see this in hand, you won't be disappointed at all. I mean, the camera really doesn't. This is a 4K 60 camera, by the way. The camera doesn't even do it justice. Like when you're seeing it in real life, you definitely see the shine, the sparkle on it, and it's not too loud to where it's obnoxious. It's definitely subtle, and you know, especially if you're in the nice lighting as well, you'll definitely see it. And you can you have a nice little outfit with it that can make it work. Where you know this is not too much. You know, you don't have too many things going on. Where you just have a subtle look to it. This will definitely do you good. So definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Also got the stickers as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all you guys' love and support on the channel. Stay tuned for more Jex Kicks videos dropping very, very soon. And subscribe to my main channel, Jex Gaming, as well with the launch of Black Ops 6. We got some cool stuff happening. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys on next time. Sign out. Peace.